welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup kit. This is my freelance makeup kit that I carry with me when I go out to do clients makeup. So all the products that are in there are the products that I use on my clients, but these are products that I have actually collected over time. So I didn't go out and buy these products all at once. I mean, like, it would cost so much. So I've collected them over time, and I carry this with me every time I go to do somebody's makeup. So I'm going to show you the kit, and I'm going to show you all of the products that are inside it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel as well, please do so. That way you keep up with all of the videos that I will be doing. So let's get right into it. So this is my makeup trolley. It is made up of 4 different compartments, as you can see. It's got wheels so that you can carry it and drag it easily, and then it's got the different parts which all come out, and you can then take it away and use accordingly. So I carry whichever parts I need for that time. And then that's what I take with me. So if I'm going out and I only need a little bit of the makeup, I usually take the bottom part, and I would take the top part because those ones contain most of the stuff that I need. And then the middle two, I usually just try and take stuff out and put in one of the 2 that I carry with me. If I'm doing makeup for a wedding where I need to have all the products, I would normally then take the whole trolley with me. So now I'm going to show you what is inside each of them. So this has 4 parts and they all come off. So the bottom bit, so if I turn this around, just turn it around so you can see. So this kit has these fastening, what do you call them? It has these fasteners, so you just take it apart if you want to pull it away, and then on the back, that's the handle for you to pull it, and then it's got the wheels at the bottom. It's got this to secure the handle, so when you're carrying it, you'll have to tie this so that you hold it all together. So I'm going to just take the ball. Okay, so that is the first compartment, and this just carries different things in there. So I take just things in there that I need. So that's the first part. And the second bit has those things inside it. And you've got the main compartment, and you've got the 4th one there. So in this first bit, I just carry all the stuff that is extra. So I've got like the spare cotton pads. I've got my Morphe eyeshadow palettes. Then I've got this Revolution eyeshadow palette as well. And then I also carry all of the foundation that I use in this. So it's a mixture. It's mostly Clinique foundations that I carry in there. So I've got the Beyond Perfecting foundation and also the Clinique Stay Matte foundation. I like both of these foundations. The Beyond Perfecting is a full coverage foundation, so for my clients who want full coverage makeup, that's what I normally use on them. And also because this comes with a concealer inside, it is a 2-in-1. It makes it easy to conceal as well, and I do use it as well for highlighting and contouring, so depending on what their skin tone is. The Stay Matte I love because it's oil free and it is very good for oily skin. Most of the foundations in here are for deeper skin tones, just because most of my clients tend to be women of color. However, I do have foundations for all skin types, all skin tones. So this is what goes in there. And then I've got some spare cotton buds. I've got my MAC brush cleaner, my brush set, and this is a makeup brush set that I actually bought some years ago in London. So I've used this for a long time, and you can see that it has been battered and bruised, but it's got all of my brushes that I use, and I've had these for years, but they're really good brushes, and so that just stays in there. Just got some extra pads and things for powder or whatever else that I would need. I also have a milk of magnesia in there for oily skin clients, just before foundation to use as a primer. So in the next section, which is this one, I carry all of the lip palettes and foundations, some blushes and eyelashes. So I've got some eyelashes here. I've got the Bobbi Brown BBU palette. So this has all of the foundation shades, the stick foundation shades that Bobbi Brown does, the concealers and all the color correctors. So for all of the other skin tones that I don't have in the bag that I just showed you previously, I have this kit to carry. This one is just blushes, and sorry, these are highlighters. And then these are just some extra powder, shimmer powders that I got from the Body Shop actually. If I can open it. I haven't really completed the set, so I've just got 4 in there. So I've got a Makeup Forever highlighter, got the MAC Shaft of Gold highlighter. This is the MAC Gold Deposit highlighter. This is one by Revolution. I have the Morphe blush palette in there, which are these beautiful colors. My eyelash glue, and then I've got my lipstick. So this is just a lipstick palette that I have. In here are MAC lipsticks, Clinique, Revlon, and a few different brands. So I had to depot all of those lipsticks and put them in here, so it makes it easier to carry this. This is another palette that I have started, so I have depotted some lipsticks and I'm going to fill this up with some more. So this is the Bobbi Brown BBU palette. These are all of the foundation shades that Bobbi Brown has done. These are all the stick foundation shades. So for when I'm doing clients with other makeup, I've recently bought this palette so that I can do makeup for the other skin tones that I don't have in the bigger foundations. On the other side, you've got a mixture of concealers and color correctors as well. So in this one, I keep all of these bits that I need. So I've got some buds here. I have some mascara ones. I've got some lip brushes or lipstick applicators. I've got some cotton balls, just tissues. These are face wipes, and then I've got some cotton pads in there. So that's that third compartment. And the final top part of the kit is this one here. carries most of the stuff. Sorry about the noise. So it's got 2 trays in there. So in the first tray I've just got my mascaras that I use. These are Clinique Extreme Volume mascaras, eyeshadow base, some eyeliner gels. These are some concealer pots and concealers and just extra little bits on there. I've got some LA Girl Pro concealers there, some sleek, what's this? I think this is the Sleek Face Contour Duo, and then I've got some sleek blushes in those 2. That's the Sleek Concealer Kit. So on the next tray I've got all of my lipsticks. So these are the MAC liquid lipsticks and the mixture of MAC lipsticks and Clinique lipsticks over there. And then on the second bit on the other side, these are just pencils, lip pencils, and I think they're mixed in with brow pencils as well, and eyeliner pencils. Some lip glosses. Underneath I have some sleek liquid lipsticks which I absolutely love, and also some MUA Lax Velvet liquid lipsticks. In this part I have all of my eyeshadow palettes as well. So these are the MAC palettes. This is one that I made up myself, bought individual ones, and that's also individual eyeshadows that I bought. This one is the Warm Neutrals palette. So this one comes like this. I didn't make this one up. Then I have my blushes, which I put together myself. So it's got most of the blushes that I would need. And then there's another blush palette which needs to be completed, but I've put 4 in there. And I've got my Clinique blush as well. Then in here I have my NARS blushes, which I use as well. And then finally in that corner I've got all of my face powders. So this is one by Clinique. This is the Invisible Blend powder, or blended face powder, translucent. That's really good for all skin tones. So I use that to, set highlighting, but also it can go around all over the face. It's a really good setting powder for all skin tones. And then I've got my MAC Studio Fix powders. So Studio Fix powders there. And then I have some Bobbi Brown loose powders as well. The brown powder and also the yellow one. And I have the Clinique Super Balanced powder. This is a discontinued product. I love this color though for contouring. So it is the very darkest shade that they did in this powder. So it is a really dark shade which I normally use for contouring. And this is just a highlighter, a MAC blush, some more face powders, and that is it. So this completes what is in my makeup kit. These are all the products that I take with me when I'm doing makeup. So I've just had to put it all over the floor, but yeah, this is all of my makeup in my Freelance makeup kit. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, remember to leave them in the comment section. If you would like to see any collection videos, or if you want me to do a video to show you actually these products particularly, leave me a comment. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.